I welcome you all to the brand design tutorial. Whether you're a school owner, a teacher, or a small business entrepreneur, building a brand is what is required to scale your business to new heights. To begin with, we would like to look at the definition of a brand. A brand is an intangible marketing or business concept that helps people to identify, recognize, any company, product, or individual. So we can clearly see from this definition that the brand is not limited to products or companies. There are actually three different types of brand, which are a company brand, a product brand, and a personal brand. As a teacher, you would like to build a personal brand. As an entrepreneur, you would like to build your brand around your product. While as a school owner, you would like to build your brand around your school. To build a successful, formidable brand, we must build for five major things, standing for BRAND, meaning that we must build our brand for trust, relevancy, authority, noteworthiness, and direction. And this is what this training is actually all about. So I welcome you on board to the online brand design tutorial. Please feel free to reach me after this training. Thank you, and let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is to log on to boxmode.com and sign up for an account by clicking start for free. In my own case, I've already signed up, so I just log in. I come here and log in, but for new users, you need to create an account. You enter in your email address, then you choose a password, then you click on create account. But for my own case, I've already created an account, so I just go straight on to log on with my login details. Once I'm logged in, the next thing I need to do is to go to my profile. Then click on account settings. When I do this, on the right hand side or left hand side here, I'll move to projects, where I can create a new project. Under here, you can see all the projects that I've created so far. Under my account, I've created 3 different projects. I have a personal account here. Then I have a project for a school here. So you can create as many projects under your Boxmode account. So let's click on create new project. After doing that, we have to select the website template that fits our use, depending on what we are creating for. If I'm creating for a law firm, I select a law template. If I'm creating for a school, then I need to select a school template. But if I'm creating for my personal brand as a teacher, then I need to select personal brand templates, which I have here. So let's go with the personal. And we have several personal website templates here. So you can just look around and look for the one that resonates with you. So let's click on this one. We can do a preview before going on to select it. So let's click the preview to see the look of the template. Then you can always go back to templates to select another one. This is another one here. Let's click on the preview. This is another template here. So depending on the one you want, you go for it. So let's stay with this one, which is click art. So once you've decided on the template you want to use, the next thing is to what? Edit the template by clicking start with this template. So you hold on for it to prepare the template while it's loading on. It's taking a while to prepare the template. Okay. Just have to wait for it to load the page successfully. Okay, here we have it here. So once your page has been loaded, the next thing you need to do is to publish the page immediately. But once you click on publish, you'll be asked for a domain name, to provide a domain name. So we have congrats on creating a new project. So once you click on publish, you'll be prompted for a domain name. So if you're a teacher, you can go with, depending, if you're a teacher, you can go with teacher, then your first name. But if you have your personal brand that you want to build, you just enter the name like that. So you can have something like Femi Martins. This is a personal brand, Femi Martins, docsboxmo.io. Once you click on publish, you can see the notification here that you have to think carefully before choosing a free domain name, because you won't be able to edit that domain name that you have chosen again. You have to delete the entire project and start afresh. So now that we have decided on the domain name, we click on publish. And it says your site is being published. Congratulations, your site has been successfully published. It is now live. So you can just copy it and close. So let's view it live now, away from the builder. Let's view it live on the internet. So we can see the live version of the template. At this point, we have not edited it for our own use. So the next thing we need to do is just to customize the template. So we go back to the builder and we start our customization. So the first thing we need to do here is to edit this logo. Since it's a personal website, we can have something like Femi Martins. This particular logo is a text logo. It's different from an image logo. So that is why we have the text there, Femi Martins. Then we have all these links here: home, about, portfolio, contacts. The next thing we need to do is just to edit each of them. You can come here, edit, change image. Then I pick from image. If I have an image on my laptop, I come here, add file, and I pick it. Or I can choose to pick free photos. Scroll through the few photos. I go with this one. So we need to prepare our images, our website content, which is the write-ups that we're going to use on our personal website. We have to have them handy so that we'll just pick them once we need them. So I've edited this image, I've picked the image I want. The next thing, I can come here and edit the text. I select this box like this and I click edit. I'm what? Femi Martins. An educator, a teacher, anything that you are doing, you edit it. So this training is not limited to teaching profession or school owners alone. It's for any kind of brand. So you edit your profile here. When you are done, you can come here and edit this download CV. Maybe you want to display your CV for employers to see. You come here, you click on it, edit. You want to link this button to where your CV is. So you have to click on this link button. Once you click on it, then the action type, you want it to go to a file, download file. You want people to be able to download a file when they click on download CV. So you select download file. Then it's asking you paste your file URL or put it in the asset library. So I go with this one, asset library. In this case, I need to upload the file here for people to be able to download it. So the next thing is to click add file. So the file that I'm going to be using is called demo CV. I pick it. So it's in my asset library now, demo CV. So I click on it to go with it. I click on the plus button to go with that demo CV document. And I just come here. So once I refresh my website and I click on this download CV, or any employer clicks on this download CV, my CV will be automatically downloaded for them. So we can do a whole lot of customizations there on our page, then we publish the site. Once we republish the site, we'll come back here to view the changes. You can see that I have the original image here because I have not republished yet. So I go back to my builder. I can also change this image, edit, change image to something else. I can also go with free photos, or I can upload from my laptop. If I want to upload from my laptop, I go to add file. Then I go to the location where the photos are. So I need to know where my photos are so that I can upload them there. Click add file. Add any photo that you have chosen or that you want to use. You make use of it. You drop it here. You can either add file or you go to your free photos. So I want to still make use of this. I click on the plus button there. You can see that it has changed the image. I want to edit my text. I just select the box here, edit, and start typing. Hi, I'm Femi Martins, an educator and online tutor. Once we are done with that, we just republish. But we can notice that all the customizations that we are doing is on this home page here. We have not gone to the other pages. So let's just republish this home page before we move to the other pages of the website. So it's saying your site has been successfully published. So what we need to do is come here and view it. So we switch between these two windows. We customize here, then we view what we have done after publishing here. So the next thing we want to do, we want to go to the other pages on the website, which is the About, Portfolio, and Contact. So we come here, select About, then you edit the About Me page with your own relevant content and your write-up. So one area we need to work on is our content for our website. We need to have power content for our website because research has proven that written word has the ability to persuade people to take an action. So maybe as a teacher, you want an employer to have a particular interest in you. You have to have power content on your website that will make them feel that yes, you are an indispensable asset, that you are somebody that they need to have on their team. So that is very important. And that is one of the services that I render, which is copyright services. So you can feel free to reach me for any of your power content for your website and your blogs, for your personal portfolio, online portfolio. Feel free to reach me for power content. Especially if you maintain a blog, you need to what? Be coming out with what? Regular content, fresh content, regular content that is being updated from time to time. So it's not just about creating a website, it's about the content there, the images, the website content, the write-ups. There must be write-ups that will induce the reader to take action, that will make them to stay on the page and keep reading. So now we're on the About page. Everything we have done on the home page, we just follow that through and do it and edit it to our taste. We come to this, select it, click on edit, change the image. You can even edit this title, About Me, or you can change it to What I Do. Select this next one here, edit. Once you select, you click on edit. What I do. I am a photographer who loves non-standard locations. So you just select the whole box here, click on edit, and type your own customized text depending on what you're doing. For each of the images, the content, the write-ups, all you need to do is just select it and click on edit and overwrite what is there with your own content. Then also, if there is a section that you don't need, All you need to do is select it and click what? Edit to delete it. Click on it, then select the trash icon to delete it. Then you have this section which is for getting in touch. Automatically, when a visitor fills in this form, you get a message on your email address, the registered email address that you used to set up this form. So once I fill in the message, a message will be delivered to your email address. You can either edit or choose to delete it. And also you have the logo here. You can edit the logo. You need to edit the logo on each of the pages, on all the pages on your website, so that you have uniformity there. So we are done with the about page customization. We click on republish. So let's view the about page now. You can see the about page. The logo has been changed to Femi Martins. And the icons that were deleted, they are also not there again. So that's just about all we need to do with the box mode website builder. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and this brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thank you and stay safe.